Hello everyone, welcome to Eleganza Car Talk. Today I will be talking about car maintenance tips. So let's get into the video. Every driver should know that it is important to maintain their vehicle. Not only will it help perform better, but also could save you a lot of money. These few tips will help you get better fuel efficiency and also retain your car's value. Servicing your car. In your owner's guide, there is a scheduled maintenance service. Make sure you don't skip it. Maintenance service involves checking or replacing parts like spark plugs, wires and timing belts, or other major parts if needed in order to keep your vehicle running efficiently and safely. Getting an oil change. This is an important car maintenance service you must do to keep your vehicle in good running condition. Not maintaining it could cause an engine failure, which can cost more. And also, putting your cooling system in working order is very important. Having the pump, hoses, fluids and belts checked is also part of proper cooling system maintenance. Replace the air filter. You can improve your car's fuel economy and acceleration by replacing clogged air filters on vehicles with carbureted engines. Check your tire pressure. You can check your tire pressure regularly using a tire pressure gauge. Maintaining correct amount of air improves fuel efficiency. Wash your car. Washing your car makes it look good. This way you are maintaining the body paint job. Don't wash your car with household soap like laundry soap or dishwashing soap, which can cause the wax to fade. Use a product designed specially for cars. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Now, if you don't know, Eleganza Car Talk is a channel focused on bringing you an in-depth explanation and latest news in the auto world. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe now for more content and comment below any topic you want to see on this channel.